What makes a great dropshipping supplier? Cutting-edge product selection from diverse niches, competitive pricing in the market, efficient order processing and inventory management, world-class logistics partners. But what exactly makes it perfect? First of all, you need people who are dedicated to their jobs. Those who inspect countless factories to source top-notch products for clients. Those who are available 24/7, providing detailed customer service. Those who prioritize swift order fulfillment, making customer satisfaction their utmost priority. What else? Every product is handpicked from factories that offer the best quality and price. Every client has the opportunity to upgrade their products and address issues as they scale. Every client has a dedicated, real human team providing timely service and responses. Every request is handled carefully, and we strive to find the best solution. This is the way to scale your dropshipping business rapidly. But there is still one more thing. Passion. An intense desire to help our clients grow their businesses. A successful supplier is one that helps every e-commerce owner achieve their goals. Now, it's perfect.